You replied in 2 minutes. She replied in 2 days. And you still texted her first. By the time this ends, you'll know exactly why the man who never texts first always wins. And the 3-part psychology running inside her head when you go silent. Most men think texting first shows interest. It doesn't. It shows availability. And availability kills attraction. Rule 1. Scarcity creates value. Think about gold. Think about air. Air is everywhere, so nobody pays for it. Gold is rare, so people kill for it. Your attention works the same way. The moment your text arrives before she even misses you, your attention becomes air. Free. Endless. Worth nothing. Double text. Hey, what are you doing? Sent at midnight to someone who left you on read since Tuesday. You just told her your attention is cheap, without saying a word. The man who never texts first flips it. His attention stays gold. And her brain starts doing the one thing it can't resist, earning it. Rule 2. The open loop. Her phone stays quiet. No notification. No good morning text. And her brain panics. Because the human mind hates unfinished stories. She starts replaying your last conversation, reading your old texts, checking your profile. You did nothing. And you became the only thing she's thinking about. Every unread message is a slot machine. She checks her phone. Nothing. Checks again. Nothing. And on the 5th check, when your name finally appears, her brain floods with more dopamine than if you'd been available all along. You didn't chase her. You became the reward. That's why the girls you ignore remember you. And the girls you chase forget you by Friday. Silence isn't absence. Silence is a question. And her brain will beg for the answer. Rule 3. Frame control. The man who texts first is asking for attention. The man who never texts first is choosing to give it. One is a beggar. One is a king. And women don't chase beggars. They chase kings. This isn't a game. Games end. Frame is who you are. The man who never texts first isn't pretending to be busy. He is busy. Busy building a life she'd have to earn a place in. So here's the protocol. Wait twice as long as you want to. Text half as much as you feel like. And never, ever text first just because you're bored. Boredom texts smell like desperation. Text less. Mean more. Win everything. Put your phone down. Go build something worth texting about. And let her wonder. You were never losing her to other men. You were losing her to your own notification sound.